Welcome back to the channel, guys. Again, we went down there to that one, we stopped that one when we're heading southbound. Now that we're heading northbound, let me show you where I am, guys. So right now we're about to go again, Washington Street, phase 2, part 4. Now, this one is the Washington Walk, not the street. Like I said, but it's still aligned with the street from north to south and south to north. This is like an enclosed neighborhood, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, that's 332A-B Greenwich Street. Now, again, like I said, this one is Washington Street. This is part of Washington Street, but it's Washington Street phase 2, part 4. But this is not the street. This is the walk, Washington Walk. Again, it aligns with Washington Street. Back there and back there, that which is south, and here which is north. So we're gonna start the journey now. And again, it's only one block, guys, but still part of the New York landscape. So we'll begin now. So you can see right here, there's a couple of staircases here. And down below you see that that's a street. It's a street, but now where active cars are. It's like a parking lot now. So now we're gonna go here to the right and continue. It's almost like an enclosed neighborhood, almost hidden. And again, if I didn't check Google, I would bypass some of these streets here because it's still here, and the streets have the names with them. Like this one has Washington Walk, but it aligns back there and up there, south and north, which is the street that's aligned all the way with Washington Street. But this one is Washington Walk. I'm gonna go across the street and finish the video, guys. Again, these are just really chunks, but it's still part of the Washington landscape. So now we go on the other side. If you notice, this used to be like an old pier. See that? It's already rusted, man. So we're gonna go here, guys, and finish the video back here. Washington Street, Washington Walk, phase 2, part 4. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.